guys, it's your girl Gracious from Live to Party JA, and we're here at Linseed Carnival, sponsored by JB Rum and Boom Energy Drink. So we're gonna talk to some patrons and see how they live to party. So how you enjoying yourself, Ashley? Great. So you always come to Linseed Carnival? Okay. Alright, show them your outfit, Ashley. Show them your outfit. Alright, so we're here with
Deadly Mercer, known as Jerky in the street, isn't it?
Alright, so Jerky, how you enjoying the party so far?
Well, it's alright, but it's sailing kind of slow still.
Is it slower?
Yeah, it's slow.
But the chicken look nice. Show them the chicken. Maybe later in the night people will come for the chicken, right?
Yeah, man, I later on myself still, but every year I always there here. Never miss me yet.
Alright, so Jerky, you're going to make a sample of chicken. You're going to make a sample of chicken.
Yeah, man, you can't stamp it. I might video man that every part of me keep man.
Okay, guys, so we're here with one of the sponsors for Linseed Carnival. Boom. How long have you guys been on the campaign?
This is our second year on Linseed Carnival. It's been a great experience thus far.
So what are the plans for next year?
I don't even know. Every year, it's the second year. Last year it was a huge event, and this year, the quality of the event has increased. So we definitely want to maybe a bigger venue, who knows, but definitely we're going to bring it to another level.
Okay, we're proud to see that. And what can you tell us about Boom so the patrons can continue buying Boom?
Boom Energy Drink is the #1 energy drink in Jamaica. Jamaica's first made in Jamaica energy drink.
Definitely.
You can't beat that, right?
Exactly.
I mean, Boom represents dancehall, everything that street, the vibes, everything that nice. So the people them a drink Boom, and them not gonna stop drink Boom. So we know that.
Okay, guys, so we're here with my girl Nikki Z. How you enjoying the party so far?
I love it. It's crazy. Like I was saying earlier, I got here at 9 o'clock and they were saying it's done like later, like maybe 4 a.m. So I'm thinking it was going to be too early and it was already almost full. So I mean, the vibe is crazy in here and everybody is just doing good. So
Okay, so are you booked for the show next year?
hopefully, fingers crossed.
Hopefully.
I don't know yet. We'll see. But I mean, the vibe is really, really good. So I mean, I would love to come back and do this again, definitely. But next time I'm bringing my mask. I see masks in here and I didn't have one, so.
Okay, you've been a fantastic host though, Nikki.
Oh, thank you so much. But you know what? Next time I'm going to do better because I'm going to go take some dancing lessons.
And you're going to wear your carnival clothes.
Yes, and I'm going to wear my carnival clothes. I'm going to get some dancing lessons. So next time I'm going to learn how to do the broke back.
Okay.
Right now, if I try it,
Right now you're
y'all
just
going to
doing the
laugh
broke.
at me.
Right now you're just doing the broke.
Yeah, I'm doing the sushi wine right now. That's it. But next year, I'm going to broke back, I'm going to head top. What else am I going to do?
Everything.
Everything.
You're going to do the Tom Cruise.
That too.
Yeah.
Tom Cruise.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we're here with the Magnum artist, Skill Archie, and how you enjoying the party so far?
Right now, I enjoy the party. Yes, party nice. Not because we're the backstage, but I don't know. We can see everything we are going out there. And the party nice. I don't know anything going on. I say Magnum Skill Archie I represent. I don't know the voting number 444-7706. And a Skill Archie said, Baba di bam!
Okay, guys, so we're here with the one and only Kurt Riley. How you enjoying the party so far?
I'm having a blast, I have fun. I'm enjoying the vibe for the first Linseed Carnival, and I'm really looking forward for more.
Okay, so why should other patrons come to Linseed Carnival?
I'm going to be honest with you, it is slightly different than what happened in Kingston, and I'm not sure because they don't really get it that much that they're really hungry for it. But how them deal with the carnival and how them embrace it. Yeah, man, everybody have to be a part of this. I would tell anybody watching this right now should be here next year, Linseed Carnival.
Definitely. Okay, thanks, Kurt.
You're welcome.
Okay, guys, so we're here with Fry Fridays Entertainment. How you guys enjoying the party so far?
Yeah, the energy up, and the vibe up, you see me? So we're going to take it easy. I'm going to enjoy the party, you see? Yeah.
Alright, so are you guys promoting something?
Yeah, we're promoting a party we call Promote a Link Up in a Club Lavish, June 20. See me? That is next month, right? June 20, Club Lavish. So, say something about the party.
Yeah, promote a link up, Club Lavish, June 20. Linseed Carnival, mad.
Good boy. Professor, you're too rough. How would I know? Me? Some years start the money and get no pum pum. Look how you take off Ruffy. Different song. Different song right now. Watch the master, take out Fluffy. Watch it out, yo, yo. Fluffy boy, you jump on him. Jump on him. Jump on him. Jump on him. That's why I said I'm thinking of a Miss Renee Rogers. Think of Renee Rogers, rest in peace. Alright! Now next time I'm also going to shoot us a scene. What the next time I'm also there? Let me see it, Joe. Go for your young master. And next time I'm also touch the stage now. I would have wanted to. Ready up! When this comes down by you, when this comes down by you, y'all can't baby hammer you, y'all can't baby hammer you. When this comes down by you, when this comes down by you, y'all can't baby hammer you, y'all can't baby hammer you. She's down here, she's at this fucker. What kind of madman you there? She's at this fucker. I want no way, you know. I'll fight, you know. Now. You know what that stage that will fill up now? That stage that will fill up now. See? Party will party same way. Big up all out there.
That's right, it's your girl, the Diva Nikki C from Fame 95 Rise and Blaze Morning Show, Monday through Thursday, 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. And you know we got it locked, all right? So log on fame95.com. You can get us on onespotmedia.com. But definitely big up everybody over here at Linstead Carnival. And right now, you are watching Live to Party, all right? Live to Party. So make sure you keep it locked right here for all the hottest parties because they live to party. At Diva Nikki C, and I'm out.